Hello, good morning, a very warm welcome to Reading Rail Tours 23 with me, Jake. Hello, welcome if you are a regular here on my railway channel, or hello, good morning, a very warm welcome to you if you are joining me here for the very first time. You are all very welcome on my railway channel. Today we have come to a huge and displayful Bristol Temple Meads. As you can see, just behind me here, one of the very hearts of the Great Western Railway, designed by the brilliant Isambard's Kingdom Brunel. Today we are here for the Locomotive Services and Intercity, the Western Wanderer Diesel Rail Tour with D10M5 Western Champion. We have a Class 40 D213 Andannia, and we also have many other locomotives on offer. I hope you enjoyed today's photos and the footage. Okay, so the first section of today's Western Wanderer tour is hauled by a Class 40 diesel locomotive. 40 as in D213 Andannia will lead in to Bristol Temple Meads, hauling some lovely Locomotive Services Intercity coaches. To haul the tour out of here will be a Class 45 Peak 45 118, the Royal Artilleryman. I hope you enjoy the photos and the footage of that. The next section of today's tour here at Bristol Temple Meads is a light locomotive work from Kidderminster on the Severn Valley Railway to here at Bristol Temple Meads. This is the D1015 Western Champion, the Western class. I hope you enjoy this wonderful, wonderful locomotive. She will be parked in a side stable platform area, ready to wait for the charter to return here in a short while.
It's going to be coming in at a slow speed.
No, it's actually going to go full speed. They're actually going to like rev it.
So, the next stage of today's tour should be the Class 45 Peak Locomotive, 45118, the Royal Artilleryman from Locomotive Services, will be hauling the intercity coaches on this tour back into Bristol Temple Meads, and then we will be seeing the light engine movement from D1015 Western Champion from the parking sideline round and onto the front of the train, ready for the next section of the tour today. Right out! Filming now. Okay then folks, so sadly that is it for my time here at the beautiful Bristol Temple Meads. As you can see just behind me here, it's been so much fun bringing you guys here to Bristol with me for today's Locomotive Services Western Wanderer Diesel Tour. I want to say a big thank you to Intercity for operating today's tour. It's been marvellous. Thank you to everyone that's put such hard effort into bringing this tour to your fruition today. It's been absolutely amazing. Now, thank you to say Locomotive Services Limited for 45118, the Royal Artilleryman. Guys, big thank you for making her look so beautiful. And for D213 Andannia, she looked absolutely gorgeous and she sounded absolutely incredible today. To Intercity for organising and promoting today's tour. Guys, thank you. It's been a big success bringing this to fruition and making this happening. So big thank you to you guys. Finally, to the Diesel Traction Group and to Severn Valley Railway for bringing 1015 Western Champion on a light engine movement here to Bristol to allow her to work on the Locomotive Services Tour. She looks stunning, she sounds stunning, and she has been stunning. Thank you ever so much. It's been a real eye-opener to see all these lovely locomotives in today's video. Now, if you have liked today's vlog and today's video, please smash a big thumbs up. Again, leave that lovely little comment down below just here, and do subscribe to my channel. It is free for you guys. Yes, free. So come and subscribe. Thank you for everything, guys. It's been a true nature to have you with me here on my railway channel. Until next time folks, stay safe, happy travelling, but enjoy it.